What is up, world? I'm Julian, and this is my new 2018 Jeep Compass. Yes, this is my 2018 Jeep Compass that I bought. This is a gray, or it's called steel gray or something. I really forgot. As you can see, I've already dented it. But yes, brand new vehicle that I actually bought back in January. But due to the fact of me being lazy and the weather is being absolutely horrendous, I could not make a video of it. But yes, here she is in all her gray beauty. The main reason I bought this vehicle is due to the fact that why not have an extra vehicle? You know what I mean? It's like I figured the more cars I own in a lifetime, the better I am. Yes, the Jeep looks absolutely amazing. And yes, this car will be vinyl wrapped. I'm thinking that maybe within the next 2 to 3 months, I'm looking at this gray camo. It's gonna look absolutely ridiculous. You can see I bought the Jeep Compass Latitude. They have the Limited, was a couple more dollars with a couple more features. I should have bought that, but I didn't. But also I got the stock wheels. This is just absolutely basic. But yeah, it has the proxy sensor and has these little things you can open up and unlock, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And in the trunk, I have enough space to fit anything I could ever imagine. But yeah, it's just Jeep. But the cool thing I noticed about it is up here, it has like the little Jeep grill. But it's also one of the few snippets I actually found on this vehicle. Like it's also there. Close that. And yeah, so I'm going to jump right into the back seat, which is kind of boring. But yeah, door. It has the automatic down, but not automatic up in the rear, which is all good. It's got this thingy, I guess. Yeah, it's got a cup holder down here. But yeah, back seats. I actually just cleaned it. Got it all vacuumed. Just kind of sticky from little kids being back here. That's all good. It's got pouches. It has actually the, if I can get it open, the outlet. I haven't tried charging anything back here because it's a back seat of a car. Yeah, I got the little flip down dual cup holders. Yeah, I just cleaned the seats. That's why you can see all of that. But now into the cockpit. Look at that. It's an automatic up, down, side mirrors. It even has an April in the background. Hey, April. Has the Jeep logo right there. And hop in. And yes, it's one of those fancy ones where you got a foot on the brake. There it is. And it fires right up and it gives you a nice, Jeep with Sirius XM. Which I absolutely love. Look at that. 8,733 miles with a full tank of gas. That is absolutely unheard of. Yeah, I have my little, bought from Five Below. Yeah, it has the auto, snow, sand, mud. But all these modes I probably will never touch due to the fact that I don't need it. Yeah, as you can see also, I took out the floor mats. That's for reasons in itself. Owner's manual, whatnot. So yeah, that is the cockpit. I'm actually going to turn it back off to save some fossil fuels. Also, a thing I want to be doing is, as you can see, this is gray, black, it says Compass and whatnot. I want to get that all chrome. I have some vinyl wrap that will make this chrome. I'm just curious if I'll be able to get inside here in these little ingresses to make it look clean. But yeah, another thing I also noticed was it's a little gecko. Like right there on the... I did nothing with that. But yeah, right inside there, which was a cool little snippet that I saw. Yeah, that's basically a walk around. Now let's hop in it and drive. So yes, in the driver's seat, foot on the brakes, here, throw it and drive. Now the first move. Thing I enjoy about this car, since it's so brand new, the throttle is absolutely ridiculous. Like I'm just gonna do a quick spin around in my favorite parking lot and hope these guys don't think I'm weird for talking to myself. And I will just gas right in the parking lot. Didn't straight floor it, but it's a V4 or V6. I honestly do not remember. But now I'm getting out on the main street and I will open this all the way up. I guess it has a little pickup. That first gear actually drug out longer than it should have. Yeah, loving the beautiful city of Redford. Yeah, so now I'm actually driving that. Put you guys in a good spot here. I'm not sure if you can hear me talk, so I'm gonna roll the windows all the way up. Yeah, I absolutely enjoy driving this vehicle. because like I said, it's brand new. And this is my first brand new vehicle other than my Malibu that I leased 3 years ago. But this one I bought. Well, finance. It's not mine yet. I still owe an X amount of money on it, but I'm not going to say. But yeah, just leather. Well, not leather. It's this vinyl plasticky steering wheel. Dashboard's colored plastic, nice. Tire roof up here is absolutely smooth, no stains, and everything in it. Like, the construction is absolutely amazing. Like, I just love it. But I got the Jeep Compass other than buying a Wrangler, or they had the Cherokee and all these other vehicles, because this one, for the price point for what I wanted, was exactly what I needed. The only options I did not get on this vehicle was the heated steering wheel, the heated windshield wiper blades, and like just a couple things I honestly didn't feel like I needed, because I wanted to get a decent new vehicle, but not something too old and whatnot. So I figured the Compass was perfect for me, because it also had the Jeep Renegade. But when I looked at the Jeep Renegade, I honestly did not like it. Yes, it was nice. It was nice and boxy and whatnot, but I didn't want the boxy look to be the vehicle that Julian's going to drive around. But also, I wanted to get this one because it's a little bit bigger and it will look absolutely ridiculous vinyl wrapped. And that camo I've been looking at. Notice the one thing I do not like is the brake pedal. It might just be because it's a new car and the brakes are just absolutely brand new, but when I press on it, like, you jerk forward every single time you do it. And it's like a learning curve to actually push it and not stop and like hit your head into the steering wheel. Also, another thing that I did not like is when you buckle up with your seatbelt, the seat buckle clip, whatever you call it, I don't know, it's too close to the seat. So whenever you try to do it, you have to actually give it extra slack and slide it in and push it down, which it's kind of annoying, but I guess it's a feature in the vehicle I can't too much say anything about. And also, as it has the elbow rest thing, it slides up and forth. It's kind of odd to me. Like, it's here, and when you have any type of drinks inside these cup holders, your elbow will be in your cup. Like, imagine you had a straw and you had a dirty jacket on. You just got dirty jacket in your straw, which is inside your drink, and you're drinking it. So it's just nasty and disgusting. Another thing about this vehicle that I don't really like is how tiny the rear window is. And this car has the biggest blind spots ever, even though the side mirrors are a great length and size. But when you turn your head, the only thing I can see is the pillars in the back seat, and there's a solid like 1.5 to 2 feet of the vehicle I can't see. And also, same thing with this side. But this side, the visibility is almost zero. I can almost barely see out of the rear driver window from this spot. But and also I can't see the hood of the car, which it's the hood, so it's not much of an issue, I guess. But it's the idea that you would expect a vehicle to have better view, I guess, or something. But like, yeah, this car does not have me on the cool factor. It's not cool. But yeah, it's a new vehicle, cool. But other than that, it's just a basic vehicle to spend money on. Another thing about the vehicle is I've barely moved all of 8 feet out of the Sonic drive-thru to get drinks, to demonstrate another thing, that you can move all of 1 feet and the car will continuously beep at you. It's completely unnecessary. So now I gotta actually stop the vehicle and demonstrate how you buckle up. So that's down there. And as you can see how close it is to the seat, I have to, when you drop your phone, you have to pick it back up. And here, if I can demonstrate that, it's all the way back inside there. So now we have drinks here. Cool. But now, elbow slides up. Now my arm's just completely over the drinks, which is very unsanitary. But also it does have the auto start, auto stop function, which is pretty cool. Honestly, don't too much care for it, because the vehicle stops on me. I think it stalled. Yes, it activated right there with a little auto stop. Yeah, it's a cool little feature, but I'm just not that used to it. The one thing I do enjoy about the vehicle is due to the fact it has the auto start where you have to just push and park. I can actually do DoorDash and just lock the car, run inside someone's house, come back out and have the car and just unlock it, so I can leave the car running. Because the main thing about DoorDash is if the car is running, you can in and out fast if you're by yourself, which is pretty cool. Jeep. Well, I guess that's about the end of the video. As you can see, the blind spot over there is horrible. Blind spots there is absolutely nothing. Yeah, as always, I said, I'm Julian. I plan on doing a lot more videos with this car. Especially, I'm probably gonna do a door dashing video because I do that now for fun. I will do a vinyl wrapping video of me door handles, side mirrors, and that sort. But yeah, well, I guess until next time, you guys stay classy. Peace.